early morning, guys. This is Ruben. Welcome back to another episode of the Sri Lankan series. Today we are in Trincomalee and we have a special video. This is definitely not high season, which means that the sea is a little bit rough. Today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna get a boat and we're gonna go high seas to see if the weather conditions allowed the ocean to have a clear image of what the corals and the marine life is if you come to this area in December. Today for this expedition we are gonna be joining forces with the Cinnamon Nature Trails and also with one of the coolest YouTubers that there is right now in Sri Lanka traveler.
Are you talking about me? No.
Hopefully we get to see some beautiful marine life, guys. So there we have our babies. In case there's something exciting going on the water, we can swim as fast as possible.
And all these dots are the sightings for the first 5 years from 2010 to 2005. 15 sightings of all the animals we saw. And when I was doing this only, even I realized that all the whales move around the continental shelf.
It is incredible.
And there are a few hot spots that they come whenever there's an indentation inside. There seems to be more activities there. And this is the place where we saw about 300 sperm whales.
Today we are going to be joined by Daya, which is the one that is going to be showing us around. He gave us a beautiful explanation about how the marine life is moving around the reefs in here. So what are we expecting today?
Nothing. Because this is not the right season for whale watching. March, April, May is the ideal time. Normally this is the end of the season. But since you guys are so interested and we share the same passion, I decided to go and see whether we can find anything. Hopefully, the lowest expectation we'll find some dolphins.
Yay. Stop it.
Let's see how lucky you guys are to find a whale. And the longest river in Sri Lanka is the youngest in our group.
The youngest?
Yes.
Most handsome?
Yes. And the most experienced boat operator.
Yeah.
They all used to be fishermen earlier.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
But once we started this operation, we thought of working with the community. And this is thanks to, I have to mention this here, this is thanks to our former chairman, Mr. Susantarat Nayak. Because we are a huge company and buying a small boat like this was nothing for us. But initially when we started, we had a plan to operate in a big luxury boat. But we made all the plans and when we went to our chairman, he said, go and work with the community. Right? That was the best thing that happened to Nature Trails Trincomalee. Because we decided to work with the local community. And the community has developed with us. And their mentality about this, they're fishermen. So yeah. they used to take from the ocean. Honestly, I'm telling you, earlier they used to do like dynamite fishing when they didn't have the understanding. Yeah. But now, he's one of the avid conservationists. When we go to Pigeon Island, somebody is doing something wrong, he'll be the first to talk.
What a beautiful morning view, guys.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3.
Almost here, guys.
Now you can bring the big camera.
No, of course. Thank you. Time to use our life jackets, guys.
My mom would be throwing up already by now.
Let's go to the ocean. is gonna be played out, guys, is we're gonna go moving from location to location. Some of the parts are hotspots for the big fishes to come. Like there's one area that we're gonna be in a kind of a reef that has like 850 meters to 900 meters depth, and when we come over there, normally there's a lot of ranges of fish that go there. The whales can eat there, turtles can eat there. This is a perfect spot to start and to see if there's any marine life around us. What we can tell today, even if the visibility is a little bit better, guys, than the other days, it's still a little bit poor, so it's gonna be a little bit difficult to actually find something. Always keep the hopes up. Right, of course.
But March, April, for the last 12 years has been consistent. March, April they come. Species wise, we have seen blue whales, sperm whales, Rudess whales, about 20 species of dolphins, very rare species like but closer to shore the visibility is always great, and but we can go further out and then you get amazing visibility, like crystal clear blue water where you can see like 50 meters down.
Seems that we got to a kind of a hot spot over here. This is one of the best ways to actually track certain types of marine life. Usually fishermen have a lot of experience, guys, so if you see where everyone is fishing, that means there's something on the water. Dolphins usually will go to that area. If you see seagulls as well on the air, that's probably like a crowded area for fishes. So bigger marine life is gonna pop in there. Trust the experience of the judgment of these experienced people.
What type of fish are they catching?
Jackfish.
Jackfish.
Oh, no, don't throw it at me. Oh, wow. That's
Oh,
tuna, no?
damn.
Jackfish.
That's jackfish?
That's a big one.
Do you mind if I do?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a big one.
That looks delicious.
Great snapper.
Great snapper.
Yeah.
Morning.
Ooh, they saw dolphins there.
No, because these guys are doing anchor fishing. They are staying in one place and fishing. But normally we find dolphins where trolling is happening. So they catch tuna, yellowfin tuna, that is. People troll, so those boats will always keep on moving.
You gotta remember that we're here scouting if it is submarine life on the water, so we could possibly come to the ocean with tourists and stuff like that. So we have no expectations, guys, but we have a hunch. So they are baiting the fish. They're throwing pieces of fish
Yeah.
and stuff and everything on the water just to bait them, no?
Yeah.
To catch bigger fish.
Yeah. What's going on today, guys?
The negative aspect of what happens in the inland is also ends in the sea.
The trash.
So a lot of trash,
Plastic.
soil erosion, all these things. People think in the mountains, they think, yeah, we are not doing anything for the ocean, but they are, you know.
Yeah.
You saw it on the video before, guys, what I told you about some beaches. They're basically taken by the Navy. As Daya was saying, that sucks in many areas because some of the most beautiful beaches are basically unused. But at the same time, that is actually a very good thing for the ocean. Having some of the most touristic attractions, what would be like the most touristic attractions would be like beach for tourists. They are really well preserved and it's actually very good for the marine life, since we reduce the amount of trash and like it is very well preserved. It's fantastic.
Whale watching, you go far out in the deep sea. Sometimes you find turtles, they can't dive down, right? Then I asked an expert, he said it can be two things. One thing is too much plastic in the belly. One thing that for some reason they develop air in their body and they don't have the ability to let that air out. That also can be a reason.
I was bracing for impacts like they did in Unavatua.
Guys, oh my god, I can't believe this is happening. I will say bye-bye to all my savings. It's time to upgrade the quality of the videos, right? This is the moment of truth. The moment of truth. Oh, I would be even happy if it doesn't work. You know what I mean? Like if it doesn't work, I would be like, it's okay.
But I'm not
Oh my lord.
happy with success.
This is on you. Ciao to all my saving, guys. Oh my lord, this is such an exciting moment. Oh, welcome to the family, babe.